Hi, welcome back to another video. We're going to make an Among Us crewmate, and he's going to press the emergency meeting button. First, we're going to start off with our crewmate. So start by going up, around, and stop halfway. I'm going to extend this line a little bit more down because our table needs to come in and connect both of those lines. Kind of stop here because our box is going to kind of go through it, and then continue to form your table. Our box goes up, stopping kind of here, out, and then we're going to make two lines going down diagonally, and then connecting those two diagonal lines with a straight line across. Then you can connect your table back. We're going to make one line go down, another line going down as well. This line goes over. We're going to make the base of the button. So let's start by making a line out and then go all the way across the table, go up, and then we're going to go in just a bit because his hand is going to go right here. Now from this point, we're going to go up, draw like kind of a bump, down, down, down. We're going to make one finger go in like this and up, make another finger like this. Another finger is going to go up and a curve, up as well. From this point, make another curve, go up. We're going to form the thumb, going around. There we go. We have a hand. Let's clean up those lines a bit. Now we're going to make kind of the rays that come out when they press the button. So what we're going to do is form like little triangles going out everywhere. Just 1, 2. Let's put another one right here. Let's put a bigger one. And then let's do 2 more. Big one right here. And then 1 more going out. And if you're doing it in pencil, you can always erase these lines that go, that cut through the middle. But I'll leave it there. It'll be fine when I color it. Now we're going to create this like pattern around the button. So we're going to make a line that's diagonal. And then we're going to go down. When I hit the corner, I'm going to make another diagonal line. Follow that horizontal line. Another kind of diagonal line here. I'm just going to color that in. Now the box, I'm going to make it close up. There we go. Now the button, our most important part, the button is going to go from one of the rays that you made, kind of make it curved. There. Don't forget to color that one red. And you can even keep going around if you wanted to. button. Okay. There are little lines everywhere on the base of the box. Kind of like that caution symbol. There we go. So just make lines where you want them. And then I'm going to make one more line here, just closing everything up towards the hand. And you can make lines around here too. There, that's looking good. This line's going to go towards the box as well. Make a few more, just preference. There. So now we're going to make our crewmate have his visor. Make a curve. This top curve goes in. This bottom curve, it's more down as well. There. Now his little pack going up and then going down and then kind of stop to connect those lines up. There we go. Perfect. Now we're going to create kind of like that fire that goes around. So you'll need a red color pencil. I am just going to make kind of those marks around, and then you can fill it in however you want. Just like that. And then for the bottom, it's going to be the same thing. But before I do the bottom, kind of this middle stripe, there's like this pinkish area. So you'll have to go through, and each one of your bigger flames, you'll have to draw like a smaller one inside. Just like this. You do the same thing, but at the bottom. There. And I would just make sure that everything is closed up. So on both sides, this area can be all pink, and then the flames would be all red. Inside of the pink, there's like these random white streaks. So you can put just wherever you want these lines going out. Just like that, just like random lines. Now it's time for us to color it all in. Make sure the table is kind of closed, and then I made a mistake. You can kind of see behind my blue, but if you're using a marker, you could just go over. And I decided also to outline everything in black. It's just preference. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.